Hello guys, this is Jude. In this video, I want to show you how you can make 10,000 Naira right now doing arbitrage trading on crypto.com. The process is very simple. We go to crypto.com and buy cryptocurrency at a lower rate. Then we go to Luno or Binance or quidax and sell it for a higher price and make an instant profit. Now, this is possible because there's a difference in price between the dollar rate, the naira to dollar rate at the bank, and the naira to dollar rate at the black market. And I'll be showing you how to do this. So let's get to it. So this is my screen. The next thing we do is to sign up on crypto.com. Now, there's a link in the description for the review we did on crypto.com. There's also an affiliate link in the description to sign up to crypto.com. If you sign up using the affiliate link, you're going to get $50 in cryptocurrency. I'll do another video later to show you how you can redeem this $50 in cryptocurrency. Now, if you don't use that link, you will not get the $50. So go ahead and make sure you use that link in the description to sign up. So once you sign up, you need to verify your account. To do this, you'll be needing either an international passport or a national ID or a driver's license. If you're in Nigeria, you can also use your voter's card. Now, the voter's card can be the PVC or the laminated one. Just make sure your picture is clear in this card. Once you sign up and verify your account, we can now go ahead and do the transaction. So the next thing we're going to do is to go to NGN rate to know the dollar to naira rates for banks. So this ngn-rates.com, we click here where it says bank, Access Bank. It can be any other bank. So these are the different dollar to naira rates for different banks. So I have Access Bank at 445, and GT Bank at 390, First Bank at 400, Zenith Bank at 391. Now you have to know two things. So we're looking for banks that their dollar rate is low and they can allow us to do international transaction. Access Bank, the rate is high, so we're not going to use it. GT Bank, their rate is okay, 390, but at the moment we cannot buy with our Naira debit card on our GT Bank Naira debit card. Same with First Bank. Zenith Bank allows us to buy with the Zenith Bank Visa or MasterCard, but the limit is $200 per month. Stanbic is $420. Their limit is for now is $100 per month. Last month it was up to $1,000 per month, but right now it's just $100 per month. EcoBank, they are suspended international online transaction. So the only bank we can do right now is Zenith Bank. The rate is $390 and the limit is $200. So let's go and check how much we'll be needing. Zenith Bank is $391. So this is $391 times 200. So we're needing 78,000 to perform this transaction. I think I have about 80,000 in my Zenith Bank account. Let me check that out. So we'll be needing either a MasterCard or a Visa card. Either of them will do. So we can proceed. Since that checks out, we'll go to crypto.com again. And once you sign up, you'll be required to enter your code each time you log in. So I click on buy Ripple and confirm. Enter my code. You have to enter this code each time. We send this coin to, we can either send it to Binance or to Luno or to quidax. So I want to send it to Luno and sell it on Luno. I've also done review of quidax, Luno, Binance, and I will leave the link in the description. You can check them out. I also have a video on how to buy and sell cryptocurrency on these platforms. So I go to transfer. Since I've bought the coin already, I go to transfer. Then I click on withdraw. Then I click on crypto. And I click on external wallet. Now I've already added my wallet here. This is my Luno because I've done Litecoin. This first one is for Litecoin, and these two are for Ripple. One is for Binance, and one is for Luno, and this is Luno. So I want to withdraw to Luno. If you have not done this, you click on this plus sign here at the top right corner and add your wallet. To get your wallet, let me show you an example of where you get your wallet from. So let me go to my Luno again. In my Luno wallet, I just click here and go to, say I want to receive Ripple. I click here and I click on receive. I can see the wallets I've created. I can create more wallets. So I've already created all these ones. So if I click on any one, I can now see my Ripple address. Just copy it, paste, copy the tag, paste, and that's how you add your wallet address. I've already done that. So all I do now is to go ahead and withdraw to Luno. So I'm withdrawing everything. It's taking a little time to load. So once it's here, I click on here where it says max. I click on it and withdraw. Now, when I'm sending transaction, I'm going to be charged 1 Ripple. So what I will receive is 791 Ripple instead of 792. So I click on withdraw. Confirm. And that is it. So I'll just wait for this to arrive on Luno. But mind you, I already have some Ripple in Luno. So I already have 678 Ripple here. So I just wait. Today is September 4th. You can see this transaction are called September 3rd. So I wait for 791 Ripple to arrive, and when that arrives, I will continue this video. It's been completed. It took about it took less than 2 minutes to arrive. Now it said receive Ripple to Binance. Don't mind this. This is what I just set. That is what I labeled our wallets. So you can see it arrived on September 4th. This is 791. It's meant to be 792, but 1 Ripple was taken in transaction. So I have 791 Ripple. Let me go ahead and sell it. Now the mistake most people make is that just go to sell here and sell. When you sell here, you're going to be charged a lot. The best way to do that is to go to the trade room. So when you click on home here, you might be shown this, or you might be shown the standard view. All right. So if you are shown this standard view, you click on here and select the exchange. We'll sell it cheaper at the exchange. Okay. So I'll click on order book and see the prices that Ripple is being sold for. So if I want to sell mine at this price, mind you, I have 791 Ripple, and this is the best price here. The ones in green are those that I want to buy. The ones in red are those that I want to sell. All right. So if I click on this one, all right, like this 108.99, and I decide to sell 791 Ripple. All right, it means I'm going to get 86,000 naira. All right, so that means that I am making 8,000 naira from this transaction if I sell it right away. Mind you, the fee I will pay is 791. That is if I want to sell this instantly. If I choose not to sell it instantly, maybe I want to sell I want to join the sellers and sell and let someone buy from me. I click on this, then select sell, then type 791. 791. You see, I'm also getting about 86,000 naira, and my transaction fee is 0. It's almost the same thing, so I think we should just go ahead and just go sell it instantly, so we can withdraw. So you see how it works. So 791. So I'm going to sell at this price. Not all be sold instantly. So if I check the order book, you see the one in star is mine. Out of the 791 Ripple, I have sold some of it, and what is left is 350 Ripple here. So I just wait for someone to buy that. If I go lower, I will sell it lower, and I won't make as much. I want to make at least 8,000 naira from this transaction. So I'll just wait for it to be bought, and I'll come back and continue this video. Our transactions has been completed. This took about 2 minutes for all the coins to be sold off. So we have sold that. So if I go to my wallet, I have 231 naira here. This is because I already have some naira in my naira wallet. So if my naira wallet was empty, what I will see here is 86,000 naira, because that is what I sold. So I want to go and withdraw 86,000 naira, which is what I sold. Withdraw. When you use Luno, you can actually add your banks. I've added my Zenith, GT, and Union Bank account. So I'm withdrawing to Zenith. And what I saw was about 86,200 naira. That was my gain. So I just withdraw 86,000. Luno is going to charge me 200 naira for processing this transaction. For this, it's optional. You can put anything you want. So you see, my processing fee is 200 naira. So that is it. So this will be sent to, it is done. It will be processed and sent to my bank account, and this usually takes less than 5 minutes. So let's wait for it again. I have received the alert. So let me check my bank app. At the start of the video, I had 80,700 naira, and now I have 88,739 naira. So this is about, so in a space of 15 minutes, I have made 8,000 naira by following this simple process. Now, last month I made as much as 15,000 naira. Let me show you something. Let's go back to engineering rates. Now this is engineering rates. These are the bank rates, and let's go to black market rate. Now black market rate is 440 naira. Now last month it got to as high as 472 naira. So we made much more just doing this, and you can keep doing this every month. Now I also did Stanbic, I also did EcoBank, although EcoBank has suspended their online or international transaction for now. Stanbic has reduced theirs to $100 now. So this is an opportunity for you to make money every month just using this simple process. When the banks increase their limits, you can make much more depending on the difference between the bank rate and the black market rates. So this brings us to the end of this video. What you're going to do now is to, one, subscribe if you have not done so, and click the bell icon to receive notification when we release another video. We release awesome videos every other week. You can actually confirm this by checking out our older videos. The next thing you have to do is to click the share button and share this video on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Telegram. Share it everywhere. Just know that when you share this video, you are giving somebody an opportunity to make as much as 8,000 naira or 10,000 naira or 15,000 naira or even 17,000 naira or even much more depending on the black market rate. So you can, if you have any question, you can leave me a comment in the comment section. You can also join our Telegram group and communicate with us there. See you in my next video. Bye.